This is my review of my Hoover Special Edition washing machine. I've had it roughly 5 years now. As you can see, all the bottom is broken, the bottom panels come off. If I open the door, as you can see, it's all rusty all around the edges here. The bolts are rusty inside the door. This part here is in really bad condition. It doesn't shut very well. It's quite stiff. Inside the inner tube here, you can see it's not very nice due to wear and tear over the years. When it spins, it sounds like I'm washing bricks in there. The best speed's 1300, and if I want to do a 60-degree wash, it takes approximately 3 hours. When I want it to start, to press the start button, as you can see, oops, I have quite a lot of a job there, and then I often have to fish the buttons back out in order to get it to work. The softener compartment doesn't drain very well at all. It's not very nice in there, as you can see. I do try to clean it out, but I have such a struggle to actually get it out. That can be a problem. I'm really hoping to take part in reviewing products for yourselves. And thank you very much for watching my video.